Hello, everyone. My name is Mike Maadarani. I am a Microsoft 365 MVP from Ottawa, Canada, with my good friend Gokan.
Hello, everyone. Hello, Mike. My name is Gokan. I'm a Microsoft MVP and RD from Brussels, Belgium. And I am truly excited to announce that with my good friend Mike, we're actually holding a workshop in Seattle. Right, Mike?
Yes, it is going to be a Power Platform with Copilot and AI workshop, a full day workshop. It's a masterclass for every information worker, a full day of goodness to spend together.
Absolutely. And as you can see on the screen, we have put the agenda just for you. So we'll start the journey by introduction of Power Platform Copilot and explaining all the fundamentals. We want to make sure you understand all the details about Power Platform Copilot. How is it differentiate from the M365 one or with the Pro one? And then we'll, after all that goodness that we're going to explain to you, you'd be able to understand in 1 hour 30 the fundamentals, go on a coffee break, get some energy, and then dive into Power Apps Copilot and Power Automate Copilot. That's the part I'd love to show, because that's what I think Microsoft has put the most of Copilot into it. And then we'll go on a lunch break and have some good meals. And then, Mike, we'll probably start with Power Pages and Copilot Studio, right?
Exactly. So after having a really nice break for an hour, we're going to go into Power Pages Copilot. We're going to continue on how we can use Copilot in Power Pages and in Copilot Studio, how we can build custom agents, how you can customize your Copilots using Copilot Studio. A lot of great stuff there that we're going to do together. And then another coffee break, and we're going to end it with the AI Builder and Dataverse, so we can do a little bit more into the Power Platform and how you can still leverage Copilot into those two capabilities.
And as we said, it's a workshop for every information worker. Like if you have a different background, or if you are more from the SharePoint world, you're all welcome, because like even for Copilot Studio, we're going to talk about SharePoint agents, like maybe what's the difference between the Copilot Studio and SharePoint agents, like
Exactly.
what's the correlation between them. So everyone is welcome to a workshop in Seattle. The last thing I'd like to say is, Mike, where can we get our tickets?
So you can go to https www.techcon365.com/Seattle/tickets. It is a hands-on workshop. So bring your laptops so you can work together. You can build the demos as well, and you can follow us with doing our demos.
Okay, then I think that's all that we had to say. Well, thank you for listening to us, and I hope to see you very soon in our workshop.
See you in June.